So this collaboration is a really shared belief that yoga should be accessible to everyone, and it can play a really key and meaningful role in people living with Parkinson's. And we know that the right kind of physical activity delivered in a sort of a supportive and understanding environment can really make a big significant difference. So this is where the yoga comes in. So a big part of this partnership is about supporting instructors like yourselves to recognize that that to try and be inclusive, to make sure you feel that you can adapt sessions and how best to support people. So through this partnership, we want to change that. We want to give the sort of instructors the knowledge, the tools and confidence to really welcome people with Parkinson's into your classes.